Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to walk you through exactly how a professional asphalt shingle roof is installed here in Chicago. Not the shortcut version. Not the sales pitch version, but the real start-to-finish process. And that matters because Chicago weather is brutal on roofs. Here at Green World Construction, we know how to handle brutal. We deal with heavy snow loads, ice dams, strong wind events, and extreme temperature swings from winter to summer. If a roof isn't installed correctly, those conditions will find every weak point. This video is for homeowners who want to understand what they're paying for, and for anyone who wants to know how a roof should be installed, not just how fast it can be done. We're going to break down each step, explain why it matters, and show you what to look for, from the initial prep and tear-off all the way through the final inspection. Once the site is prepared, we begin tearing off the existing roofing materials all the way down to the wood deck. This step is absolutely critical. Many roofing problems we see in Chicago happen because new shingles are installed over damaged, rotting, or compromised decking. After tear-off, we slow down and carefully inspect the plywood or OSB decking. We're looking for soft spots, rot, water staining, delamination, or any structural weakness caused by long-term leaks or poor ventilation. Any damaged wood is removed and replaced immediately before moving forward. There are no shortcuts here. Covering bad decking with new shingles may look fine at first, but it almost always leads to premature failure, sagging, or leaks. A roof system is only as strong as what it's built on. If the deck isn't solid, nothing above it, no matter how expensive the materials are, will perform the way it should. Taking the time to inspect and repair the deck ensures the new roof has a stable, long-lasting foundation. In Chicago, ice and water shield is not optional, it's essential. We install this self-adhering waterproof membrane along the eaves, in roof valleys, and around chimneys, skylights, and all roof penetrations. During winter, heat from inside the home causes snow on the roof to melt. That water then refreezes at the colder roof edges, creating ice dams. When this happens, water can back up underneath shingles. Ice and water shield creates a watertight seal that prevents that backed up water from entering the home, even when ice dams form. This layer acts as a last line of defense against winter leaks, interior water damage, and costly repairs. In a climate like Chicago's, skipping or minimizing ice and water shield is one of the fastest ways to end up with ceiling stains, mold issues, and early roof failure. Proper installation here makes a massive difference in how the roof performs over time. Next, we install synthetic underlayment across the entire roof surface. This underlayment serves as a secondary moisture barrier and provides protection if weather changes suddenly during installation, which is common in Chicago. It also helps protect the roof deck from wind-driven rain that can get past the shingles under extreme conditions. We then install metal drip edge along both the eaves and the rake edges of the roof. Drip edge directs water away from the fascia and roof deck, helping prevent rot, mold, and long-term deterioration of the structure. Without drip edge, water can curl back under the shingles and damage the wood over time. These components don't stand out visually, but they play a huge role in the roof's lifespan. In Chicago's freeze-thaw cycles, proper underlayment and drip edge installation can mean the difference between a roof that lasts decades and one that fails early. Before installing the main shingles, we install a starter strip along the bottom edge of the roof. This starter strip seals the first row of shingles and is specifically designed to prevent wind uplift. High winds are common in Chicago, and the bottom edge of the roof is one of the most vulnerable areas. If the starter strip is skipped or installed incorrectly, shingles can lift, flap, or blow off entirely during storms. The starter strip also ensures proper alignment for the rest of the shingles as we work upward. That alignment affects not just appearance, but also how well the shingles seal and shed water. It's a simple step, but it plays a major role in wind resistance, water protection, and overall roof performance. Professional installers never skip this step because problems here usually show up quickly, often after the first major wind event.
Now we move into the main shingle installation. Architectural asphalt shingles are installed according to the manufacturer's exact specifications, including proper nail placement, spacing, and fastening depth. We snap chalk lines across the roof to keep each row straight and consistent as we work our way upward. Proper nailing is extremely important in Chicago. Too few nails, nails placed incorrectly, or nails driven too deep can all cause shingles to fail during high winds. Overdriven nails can tear through shingles, while underdriven nails prevent proper sealing. Taking the time to install shingles correctly ensures they stay sealed, resist wind uplift, and perform the way they were designed to. This step takes time and attention to detail, but it's what gives the roof its durability, weather resistance, and clean professional appearance.
Flashing is one of the most common failure points on any roofing system, and it's also one of the areas where shortcuts cause the most long-term problems. We install brand new flashing around all critical areas of the roof, including chimneys, plumbing vents, roof-to-wall intersections, and any other penetrations that pass through the shingles. Old flashing should never be reused. Even if it looks okay from the outside, flashing can become brittle, corroded, or cracked over time due to constant expansion and contraction from Chicago's temperature swings. Reusing it is a major risk. Proper flashing is designed to direct water away from vulnerable areas and safely channel it down and off the roof. When flashing is missing, improperly layered, or incorrectly sealed, water will eventually find its way inside the home. This is especially important in Chicago, where heavy rain, snow, and ice put constant pressure on these transition points. We also properly install and seal roof vents to ensure they are watertight while still allowing the roof system to breathe. Taking the time to install flashing and vents correctly helps prevent leaks before they ever start, protects the structure of the home. Correct flashing work is critical to long-term roof performance. Once the roof installation is complete, cleanup and final inspection are just as important as the work itself. A professional roofing job isn't finished until the property is left clean, safe, and fully inspected. First, all roofing debris is removed from the roof and surrounding areas. Old shingles, underlayment, and packaging materials are properly disposed of. We take extra care around landscaping, driveways, patios, and walkways to make sure nothing is damaged during the process. Next, we perform a full magnet sweep of the yard and driveway. This step helps pick up loose nails and metal fasteners that could otherwise cause flat tires, damaged lawn equipment, or potential safety hazards for kids and pets. After cleanup, we move into the final inspection. We carefully walk the roof and check critical areas such as shingle alignment, proper nailing, flashing installation, ridge caps, and ventilation components. All sealants are reviewed to ensure they are secure and watertight. In Chicago, where heavy rain, snow, and freeze-thaw cycles are common, this inspection is essential. It ensures the roof is fully sealed and ready to handle extreme weather conditions. Before leaving the job site, we do one last walkthrough with the homeowner to answer questions and confirm everything meets expectations. That attention to detail is what separates a professional roof installation from the rest. And that's how a Chicago asphalt shingle roof is installed the right way, with Green World Construction. The proper materials, correct techniques, and attention to detail that protects your home through every season. From harsh winters and heavy snow to summer heat, strong winds, and severe storms, your roof is your first line of defense. And doing it right truly makes all the difference. If you found this video helpful or informative, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Let us know what questions you have or what roofing topics you'd like us to cover next, whether it's repairs, replacements, inspections, or general maintenance tips. Your feedback helps us continue creating useful, real-world content for homeowners just like you. If you're located in the Chicago area and need a professional roof inspection, repair, or full replacement, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our experienced team is always happy to walk you through your options, answer your questions honestly, and help you make the best decision for your home and budget. No pressure, just reliable service and quality workmanship you can trust. Thanks again for watching. We truly appreciate your support. Stay safe, stay protected, and we'll see you in the next one.
Off the roof, you could see how the roof looks up there, and convert it into a regular shingle roof, Architect Shingles. We are using a Owens Corning shingles from our supplier that we're using tri-built ice and water shield, synthetic paper, lead pipes. The product is our product that holds up great on this roof in rolling metal. This is our dump trailer that we move out the old shingles, and we'll show you the finished touch second video.